hard as not to crack.
I think these are macadamia nut groves along here and along the other side.
Guess how many trees there are in that orchard? Approximately 250,000. Mauna Loa, taste of the tropics. What's with the weird mascot-y things?
Yeah, it's pretty freaky. It's sort of weirdly, vaguely reminiscent. M&M World.
I was thinking that as well.
I was like, oh my god.
It's like brand fanaticism. Yeah, people seem to be really into it in there.
This is true. It's pretty weird.
So we are about to embark on a self-guided tour of the Mauna Loa macadamia nut factory.
I understand the whole self-guided tour. You peek in the windows along the side of the building.
Yeah, exactly. There they are, sorting macadamias. Picking them out by hand. They go onto this conveyor belt. Up, up. What are the flipper machines doing?
It's like they're measuring nuts.
This blue machine is making the little micro ones they had by the registers.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What could be in building 2?
Thousands of pounds of chocolate are melted here today. What do you think that pile is on the tin up there? Oh, do
I
they?
think they're just adjusting them. They're not actually putting them in.
Adjusting.
Yeah. They already seem to have nuts in them when they come out.
Oh, maybe you got
This
nuts
tray
in
thing seems to do.
Oh, yeah, yeah. There's chocolate's coming from there, and then there are the nuts that come down, apparently.
Ooh, we're about to see the enrober. So they go in that way. They come out that way. These guys are doing this by hand. Wow.
Well, these women probably packed the chocolates that we're eating.
No doubt. So thank you, ladies.
You see the woman on the other side working by herself? She's putting lids on the full boxes.
That was kind of interesting. And it's free, so can't really complain. Our next stop of the day in Hilo. Look at these things growing out of the branches.
Yeah.
They're like massive ferns. Mongoose. Mongoose. It's like the tree has dreadlocks. Here is a case of a puhala tree from which the lauhala is made. Here we are in Hilo, about to get lunch from Puka Puka, which is right there across the street. So easy, so easy. Everything's always easy with Off the Cuff. Oh, we could also stop at that hideous statue. There's a minor bird up there.
It's probably a zoo like the orchid place. I was amazed. Oh, that's pretty.
This croc has been muzzled. Meh.
It's like, wait a minute, you're not a goat. What the heck's making that noise?
He looks like a total stoner.
He does. Hi, pig.
Is this supposed to be some kind of mind control? These guys have psycho eyes.
The largest of the white cockatoos with females larger than males. Oh, I know. It looks more fake even. Over there.
Mm-hmm. This alligator gets to live on astroturf. The Mauna Loa Macadamia factory is definitely one of the top 10 things we've ever seen / done. We get to peek in the windows and see their gimmicky corporate jingly stuff.
Communication, accountability, teamwork, commitment, honest, integrity, trust.
That's what I always think when I think of Mauna Loa.
Probably pretty boring.
My job is to fill buckets full of macadamias. Oh yeah.
How many little blue packets have you done today?
I don't know, like 10,000.
I don't know. I want to keep that pace up. 10,000 doesn't seem like quite enough.
Willy Wonka's boring chocolate factory. Clothing is not optional at this factory. They go in naked. No, because the nuts are getting enrobed.
Oh, ha ha ha.
Cokie? Cokie? Well, well, it's our friend. Next time we see this guy, we can say, hello, Geopelia striata striata. Next time we see this guy, we can say, hello, Streptopelia chinesis chinesis.